YouTube, what's going on with y'all, man? Back again with another video.
We got to 800 subscribers, man. I was looking at these cameras right now.
I didn't want to walk away from the markets, but I did it. I didn't want to wake up at 2:30 a.m. in the morning, but I did it. I didn't want to do this 20-minute run, but I did it. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to go to work, but I am going to go to work. I was like, yeah, I'm closing this trade because it doesn't look like it's going to come underneath the 13 SMA again. So motivation is gonna be gone. It's not gonna be there. Now it's up to you. How important is it to you? Today is Thursday and it's currently about 4 a.m. in the morning. I just finished trading, and that's the reason why I'm out here, because as you know, every single time that I'm done trading, I like to go outside for a quick run. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we're doing right now. We're gonna get this quick run, and then I'm gonna go show you guys the trade that we took, and I'm gonna explain to you guys the trade that we took. Hopefully you guys can learn something from it. But yeah, man, we did take a loss today, and yeah, it's just been, this month has been so garbage, bro. It has been so garbage. I think I've taken 7 losses and only 2 wins this month. So yeah, man, it has been garbage, very garbage. But anyways, man, let me get this 20-minute run over with, and then I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna show you guys the trade that we took and the reason on why we took it. Oh man, now I feel way better that I'm done with this 20-minute run, man, because I really didn't want to do it, bro. I really didn't want to do it. I didn't want to, you know what I'm saying? When I was trading and I took a loss, I didn't want to walk away from the markets, but I did it. I didn't want to wake up at 2:30 a.m. in the morning, but I did it. I didn't want to do this 20-minute run, but I did it. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to go to work, but I am going to go to work. Listen, you just gotta, you know, when you first started doing something, you're gonna have the motivation to do things, but after a few days, after a week, after a month, after a few months, the motivation is gonna be gone. It's not gonna be there. Now it's up to you. How important is it to you what you're doing? And I know that I have a routine and I have a plan that I have to follow every single day, and that as long as I'm following it every single day, it's going to benefit me long term. So that's why I keep on doing it every single day, regardless of how much I want to do it or how much I don't want to do it. It doesn't matter. We get the work done regardless, man. But anyways, let's go back inside. I'm about to go show you guys the trade that we took, and then, you know what I'm saying, hopefully you guys can learn something from it. So let's go. If you do not follow me on IG, I post my trades on IG every single time. So if you follow me there, you've seen the trade already. But if you haven't yet, this is the trade that we took, man. Yeah, man, let's just go over this trade. What I was looking at, this was a NASDAQ trade. So was it a NASDAQ? Yeah, it was a NASDAQ. So the first thing that I did when I came into the markets in the morning was I was looking at the market conditions in the 1 hour, and I see that we are dropping like crazy, right? I see that we're dropping like crazy. And also when I go to the 5-minute, you know what I'm saying, that we have this consolidation going on here. Every single time that we come up to this high, we drop, we come up here again, then we drop again, then we come down here, and then we go up, we come down here, and then we go up. And then when I came into the market, we were sitting exactly right here, right? Yeah, that's exactly where we were at when I came into the market. And I was looking at this area right here of support, where the market was just keeps on holding and holding and holding right there. So because we are, you know what I'm saying, in a downtrend, because we're pushing down, we're looking for sales. And this, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man, there was a possibility for this to break towards the upside, and then I was gonna be stuck in sales, and then the market was gonna, you know what I'm saying, go towards the upside. But I took a chance because there was a support level right there, and I was like, you know what, the market is also doing this W pattern right there, doing this W pattern. If it breaks underneath the 13 SMA, which is this blue line that goes along the price, if there's a candle that breaks underneath and closes underneath the 13 SMA, I'm going to take a sell. So that's what happened. Let me go forward a little bit. That candle didn't close underneath, but I really like the reaction that it gave me. Like, it went up here and it closed down here. To me, that was like, okay, we want to push towards the bottom. And then as soon as this candle broke underneath the 13 SMA, we got in, and I was aiming for a 1-to-1, and my stop loss was, was a $300 risk, because we are in our challenge account, and in our challenge account we risk $300 per trade. And then, you know what I'm saying, it was good. It was looking good. It was coming down in profits. You know what I'm saying? This candle was also down in profits, but then this candle closed like this, and I got worried, bro. I was like, uh-oh, we're getting 2 wicks, 1 wick, 2 wicks. We're getting 2 wicks closing like this. That is not good, bro. If we come above the 13 SMA, I was like, yep, I'm gonna close the trade, because it's not, this 2 wicks is already telling me that it's not looking good. And yeah, this candle, I was in this candle for a while, but then when the time of the candle, every single candle is 5 minutes, right? So when the candle was about to close, when the 5 minutes were almost over, I was like, yeah, I'm closing this trade, because it doesn't look like it's gonna come underneath the 13 SMA again. So I cut the trade exactly somewhere around here, and we took a $159 loss. So, you know what I'm saying? And I think it did. Ended up going towards the upside. So yeah, let me see. Yep, ended up going all the way up towards stop loss. So we did good by cutting our loss right there, man. So I'm not complaining, man. We cut the loss. You know what I'm saying? The idea was right. The idea behind it was good. The only thing that I didn't like, it was that this 50 SMA was down here. So we were going counter trend. You know what I'm saying? Because the 50 SMA was down here. Even though the 200 SMA is up here, you know what I'm saying? It's just too far away from price. So at some point it's going to correct itself and go up towards the near where the 200 is at. But I just didn't like it because the 50 SMA was down here. So I was looking towards closing the trade once we came underneath this low right there, and just take my 1-to-1 and walk out. You know what I'm saying? It was a very dangerous trade. You know what I'm saying? But we took it. We took the risk. We lost. And as you know, we take one single trade a day. So that was the only trade that we took. Like I said, I didn't want to walk away. I wanted to take another trade, but that's not part of my plan. You know what I'm saying? Taking 2 trades is not part of my plan. So taking one trade is. So. All right, man. We have now arrived to another day of work, man. Second coffee of the day. You know what I'm saying? Always gotta be caffeinated for sure, man. That is gonna go right there. Boom, baby. Piece is now installed, man. As you can see, the room is coming out together. A few pieces that I gotta do still. There. Some pieces in this, up there and there. You know what I'm saying? Got a few more pieces to go. But we're gonna get it done today, man, for sure. All right, man, so as y'all can see, we got the whole thing leaned, I guess, the floor, bro. I don't know, man, but we got the whole thing installed. You know what I'm saying? The whole thing is, now we just gotta weld it. Still gotta weld it. There's a whole lot of process, more processes in this room, but you know what I'm saying? We got the whole thing where the wall panels are installed, so that's good, man. Let's go home, man. Let's go home. We made it back to the house, and I just want to say this, man. I want to say thank you, because we got to 800 subscribers, man. I was looking at these cameras right now. I was trying to see how much they are, because you know what I'm saying. Because if you have been watching my videos for a while, then you know that when I start to get payouts, the first thing that I'm gonna get with the payouts is video equipment for better YouTube videos. And I was looking at this camera. Let me know what y'all think about this camera. It's the EOS R8 4K video,
and it's almost $1,300, $1,300 basically. And I was looking at this and I really like it, man. I'm really trying to get it. But first of all, we got to get payouts. We got to get payouts. And with the payouts that we get, first thing that we're going to buy is a camera. And then we're gonna buy the lens, and then we're gonna buy everything else, microphone, everything. But we can only use the money that we get from the payouts and the money that we make from the markets. You know what I'm saying? That's the goal. That's the reason. That's what I'm working towards right now. 2025, we're gonna be rocking one of these. We're gonna have way more subscribers on YouTube. Right now we have 800, so we are near 1,000. You know what I'm saying? If you haven't followed me on IG, man, go follow me on IG, because I'm posting my trades that I take every single trade that I take. I put it on IG, so go follow me there if you haven't. Just know, man, I'm loading up. 2025 is gonna be big. I keep saying this, man. I keep saying 2025 is gonna be big, but bro, y'all just don't get it. It's gonna be big, bro. Trust me. But anyways, man, I just want to say thank you for 800 subscribers. I'm working on something. I'm working hard because I want to make things happen. And yeah, man, tomorrow we're gonna be trading. Tomorrow we're gonna be up at 2:30 a.m. in the morning. As always, I'm trying to catch a win because we have lost 2 times this week, man. We lost on Tuesday, we lost today, and tomorrow we have to get a win, man. We have to get a win because we gotta end the year in a good note. You know what I'm saying? But if we do lose, then hey, all I can say is that we have been disciplined. This whole entire month, I won't lie to y'all, man, this whole entire month we have been disciplined. This whole entire month we have been disciplined, which is amazing. You know what I'm saying? Like, in the past, I was disciplined for a few weeks, but then I would break my discipline towards the end of the month. But I was never consistent as I am today, man. So if we close tomorrow being disciplined, it's gonna be a new record for me, man. It's gonna be a new record. And this is also one of the reasons why I think 2025 is going to be big, bro. We're not breaking discipline. We have learned our lesson. You know what I'm saying? We have learned our lesson. And I think that 2025, because we are being disciplined, that's the reason why 2025 is going to be so huge, bro. It's going to be huge. Even though right now we're losing a lot. You know what I'm saying? 2020, just wait for 2025. That's what I'm going to say. Just wait for 2025. But yeah, man, I think I've been doing too much talking, and yeah, man, we're just gonna show up tomorrow because, you know, we uploading every single day. So I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow, and I'm done talking, bro. I'm done talking. Without further ado, you already know, man, this video is now over.